fast as possible.
I already explained it to her.
If you take too much time, we're going to have to start over, okay? You don't want that. It's taking a long time, okay?
Yeah, like Morgan.
Yeah, Morgan.
What's your favorite color?
Pink. You have to respond right away.
Even if it's not true.
Right, so
Give me like lies, lies, lies,
Straight
lies.
off your head, okay? What's your favorite color?
Pink.
What's your favorite animal? You take it. Straight off your head. Just this one. Say the first thing that comes to your mind, okay?
Okay.
You have to. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
What's your favorite animal?
Penguin.
What's your favorite food?
Macaroni
What's
and
your
cheese.
favorite show? Too long. Too long. Too long. Ready?
You think too much.
What's your favorite animal?
Penguin.
Okay, too long.
Just say whatever comes to your
First thing that
mind.
comes to your mind.
Even if it's not true.
Even if it's dirty.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
What's your animal?
Dog.
Okay, too long again. First thing comes to your mind. Ready? What's your animal?
Dog.
What's your food?
Macaroni and
What's
cheese.
your favorite show?
That's Gilmore Girls.
What's your favorite color?
Yeah, pink.
Who's the president?
Bush.
What color's my shirt?
Black.
Who do you like?
Oh!
Me
Devin,
too.
Nipper's kind of lost. Yeah.
You had a thing?
She did.
No. You paused. That's because I'm processing the question.
You're not allowed to process the question.
You just say whatever
What
you're
the
thinking.
heck?
That's why it's funny.
So, what was your answer? What was your answer?
Do the sweeping color
Do what?
Dimitro.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I really was hoping someone else would come out.
I'm really hoping. Okay, do you have another question you want to ask her? Because we should do the mental test with Lauren.
What? Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay, let's see if you're successful. Okay, think of a shape. A really simple shape.
Okay.
But definitely not a dodecahedron, okay? A good simple shape. Okay. Yeah, think of
Stop with those decahedrons, Lauren. Stop thinking of them.
think of another shape surrounding the outside shape.
Like take the first
Okay.
left.
Now, color the two shapes.
Okay, and then you want to take like an immediate right.
Okay.
Okay. What are the two shapes and what are the colors?
Two shapes are a square and then a circle outside of it.
And what are the two colors?
The colors, the square is red and the circle is yellow.
Oh, man.
Okay.
3 out of 4.
Yeah, just, you know. Okay, ready?
What?
You want to wait for
Alright, what number is the chalk?
Why are you guys so
One,
hard?
2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
When Nipper
I
comes,
circle one number.
I think it's 3. Done.
Yep.
She said 3. She said
Susceptible.
circle, square, red, and yellow. So she's pretty susceptible. Okay, now think of Europe.
Okay.
Now think of a large landmark in Europe, a famous one. Okay. Now what is it?
Nobody caused laughter?
Eiffel Tower's in this one, so she's pretty successful.